Good. It should feel good on your back. Good on your back, right? Try to straighten your legs. Relax your head. Relax your head down. Shake your head out. Yes, and relax. Oh, good. Good. Okay, and then we're going to open our eyes. And tell them to keep their head and arms heavy. Slowly round up. Slowly. Good? Okay, now, here we are. Standing. Everybody feel good? Okay. Roll those shoulders down. Roll them back. 1, 2. Now roll them forward. 1, 2, 3. Now, hands here like a prayer. Prayer center. And tell them close their eyes. And take a moment to appreciate themselves. And relax your shoulders. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out. And then tell them to just think about what they are doing and nothing else. Okay? Now open your eyes. And do it like this. Hands out, bend the knees, get up, and hands down into prayer. Arms come out, breathe in, and come down. 2 more, okay, make it bigger. Come up, come down. And again, and come down. Good, feel okay? Hands are down.